In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a waitlist to Shopify. We'll walk through the process of installing a waitlist app, enabling it in your theme, turning on the back in stock feature, and then previewing how it looks on your online store. By the end, you'll have a working waitlist button so customers can sign up to be notified when sold out products are available again. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose the apps option. In the search field, type Waitlist. This will open results from the Shopify App Store. From the list of apps, look for one called Notify, back in stock pre-order, and click on it. On the app page, click Install, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, Shopify will automatically take you into the app's dashboard. After the app is installed, you'll be on the Notify Me dashboard. You need to make sure the app embed is actually enabled in your theme, so it can show on your storefront. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, click Online Store. Under your current theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor. On the far left side of the editor, find the App Embeds icon, which sits just below the gear icon. Click that, then look for the Notify Me app embed in the list. Toggle it on to enable it, and then click Save in the top right corner. Once it's saved, go back to the left panel and click Manage App to return to the Notify Me dashboard. Back on the Notify Me dashboard, look at the left side and click the Back in Stock option under Notify Me. You'll see that Back in Stock is currently inactive. To turn it on, click the Turn On button on the right. A pop-up will appear explaining that the basic Back in Stock features will be enabled. Click Continue at the bottom right of that pop-up. After activation, you'll see a Customize Appearance button. Click this if you want to change how the button and forms look. A pop-up will show a live preview in the center, and you'll have controls to edit the button style, the subscriber form, confirmation messages, and notifications like the first back in stock alert, reminder notifications, and the thank you message. Finally, let's preview your waitlist on the storefront. In your Shopify admin, look at the left panel again and find Online Store. Hover over it and click the eye icon that appears to the right. This opens a preview of your online store. Wait for your store to load completely, then navigate to a product or a specific variant that is sold out. On that sold out product page, you should now see a Notify Me button. When you click it, a pop-up will appear where customers can enter their contact details. Once they submit the form, they'll be added to your waitlist and will be notified automatically when that product or variant comes back in stock. And that's how you add a waitlist to Shopify using the Notify Me Back in Stock app.